Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to be modeling this bearing with the exact dimensions. We are opening a new part and starting to get in front plane. I'm going to create a group of sketch and then we will follow the steps. First we are placing a circle with the dimension of 115. This is 115, 1508. This is our core value, and we will build on it everything. And I have here a sketch, basically a square, let's say, a rectangle, and we make symmetric. Our width is 24, inner diameter is 19, and the diameter here 53, which makes 106. This is our first value, and we have radius 1 on these edges, 1.5, sorry, 1.5 both, and the other 2 is 0.5. First one is this, and the second one here let's still make it looking like same, and this 2 line and this center line with control mouse button we make them symmetric, and this is collinear, and the outer dimension is 140, and the dimension here 128, 120, sorry, 128, and then this both line will be collinear, and we are placing other details. First we have here a semicircle. This will be tangent, and our center point aligned with this point, and the dimension, the degree here is 10, dimension from here 1.2 millimeter. First we give our radius better, 0.6, and this is 1.25, and we have here a line which will be standing in 125. Yes, 125 exactly. Now we can copy the lines that we create here. First I make equal, and then mirror entities. This, and this radius will be copied, and exactly we have in fact model almost, and then we are putting here 2 times 1.5 radius, and then main dimension is ready now. We are going to make a revolve now with in this axis. We have inner and outer part. Now we are going to work on cage and then the balls. Firstly I convert my circle, I put in the middle and construction geometry, and then both sides 4 and 4 offset, and we are making here 1 millimeter offset again, outer, and we are obtaining a sketch which is looking like in the screen. And now I'm going to make a revolve with this. We can hide our both inner and outer part, and then we are looking from right plane. After that, right plane and origin I'm selecting and creating here an axis. In this axis I'm going to make 14 times the circular pattern. Exactly, we have it. And in the right plane, now we are creating a sketch again, which will be standing in 115. We can give that dimension, and we make offset 3.5 by 3.5 in both sides. We are opening here bidirectional, and we are now converting, or we can make in fact offset on this edge, which will be 0.5 millimeters reverse dimension. Also here the same, and then we are sending unnecessary parts. We should make an extension here, seams, yes, and then these parts will be gone. And then we have a part like this. After this operation, we make a extrude boss space in the mid plane too thick, and we are not combining. Then we just make a circular pattern again, which will be this body 14 times in an axis. After this operation, we go our features, under features, combine, and we are going to combine all these parts which is standing on the screen now. We make add, and now with right plane, half of it we are going to cut, surface cut, and we send it. Now we are going to make a trim with normal command, right plane, and we are looking to right plane, and we are having a sketch here, and offset bidirectional 3 millimeter offset we are making, and this will be 115. After this operation, we just make extrude cut through all both and flip side to cut. Program going to protect for me the inside of sketch now, and it will cut outer sides. After this operation, we are making fillet, which will be here 3 millimeter, 2 millimeter. Outer will be 3 millimeter because of our thickness. It's 1. After this operation, once we select that, we are also able to select the other points. This is now almost finished. Last details, axis here and extra axis. The number of copies was 14. Because of I'm standing in the middle, I'm dividing 360 by 28, and then in the center of this balls I am putting 4 millimeter diameter apart. This is a 4, and with 1 millimeter heights. I think we should change our sketch plane. Yes, exactly 1 millimeter part here, and we have here 1 radius. After this operation, we are just going to make circular pattern, axis here, our features are this and this, and 14 was already exist there, and we have it now, and body is going to be mirrored, and the only thing that we are going to create now, our ball. We looking our side and converting here our ball circle and cutting half of it. After this operation, revolve base and just making a revolve. Now we have it, and we can make a circular pattern. This is an individual body, that's why I'm choosing here a body, and this is also done. Once we make it, we can give colors. I will now give my colors, chrome, this also a chrome, and sometimes they are brass, and this also a brass. Yes, this is our model, and last thing that we are going to do, the definition scripts here, and 130, and we just select, and the model is SKF 16, 18, and Explorer Germany, and we can change our font, Arial, and highness it's 2.25. We should convert this line to construction geometry. I don't care so much now the place of it, it's not so important. We can just cut 0.1 millimeter and make a copy. Yes. We have it, and then we can make a circular pattern. Time somewhere here. Yes, this was the model, and thank you for watching.